awesome people, welcome to my channel. I have Boxycharm Premium and the base box to share with you today. So Boxycharm Premium arrived yesterday, which was Tuesday, hello, and today's Wednesday. They both arrived before the estimated time, which was Thursday and Friday of this week, so I'm happy to have them both. I just have to do one of these. 4 months and some change. I want to say 4.5 months, because it was shortly after the initial opening that I've been on this waiting list, and I've been watching the people who were able to sign up right away. Videos, Kitty and Nikki and a few others. Miss Robin recently got pulled, and I was just like, the pain, this weight. And when I saw they debited my card, I was around this thing like Rumpelstiltskin. I was like, they pulled my name. All right, let me show you what I got. Now, because, how does this work? Okay, one Boxycharm, welcome to my channel. If you're new, never heard of it before, it's a beauty and skincare and hair tools and beauty tool monthly subscription. There's 3 tiers, 2 different frequencies. Base box is $25 a month. Every month you'll get a new box that's curated to you. The more you go on and do a review, the more accurate and a little bit more tailored the box will be for you. The next box option, which is has a waiting list involved, is the premium box, which is $35 a month. The contents of the box is priced higher than the $25 tier, and it is a monthly box. Same theory applies. If you go on to the Boxycharm website after receiving your box, and at some point or another, go on, rate it, tell them your thoughts, then they'll know as they're going along what things you're interested in. And then the third dude is a quarterly box, Big Daddy, $50 a month, Boxyluxe, which I'll be getting debited for March 1st. If you are interested in premium, I have those links for you to sign up. The wait list, I can't tell you if you'll get pulled in a week or if it'll be 4 months like me, but when you are pulled, that money needs to be available at the beginning of the month, typically, but just whenever your name is pulled, you need to be able to be charged for both boxes, base and premium. If you no longer want the base box and you just see, hey, 35 is enough, I don't want to do the 55, 60 bucks a month for the 2 boxes, you have to at least the first month pay for both. Then you can go into your account, delete the base. If you delete the base, you can't get the Boxyluxe. 4 minutes in, I hope I've broken this stuff down enough for you so you can know these details. Because someone went in and they canceled their base and then they saw they wasn't getting no Boxyluxe and they wasn't happy campo. So we're going to start with who arrived first and who I was the most interested in. Another fact before I jump into this box, you guys, I try to give you the low down dirty with the stuff, you know, low down, low down Judy Brown stuff with everything. When you sign up your first month, you do not get the choice option. So like next month, we're getting an all Fenty Beauty box, so no one's getting to choose. But for April, somewhere in March, we'll get to choose 1 or 2 items that we want for our April box. So when you first get signed up, you will not be able to choose. Let me show you what I got. So this is how it looks. Because when I open it up yesterday evening on the table, taking a peek, doing the Kayla, and then I closed it back up and I was like, I'd rather do this with them. And anyhow, I was like, wait a minute, I didn't get to choose. No, you don't, your first month. Look, so the first item we have here is Coraz. I haven't had Coraz since 2012, I want to say. I bought a 3-piece set from HSN. Anyways, this is the scent Lily Bouquet Body Butter, and it's got some other language, 96% all natural. So let's see what this thing smells like. It does have the safety seal. It smells pretty. It smells like spring. It smells like just a walk in the park, you guys. That's really does smell like a nice floral bouquet. And so that's what this is. The next thing I received, which I'm happy about, and I'm actually wearing Tarte foundation up underneath e.l.f. and the Pretty Vulgar concealer today. If you like it, that's what I got on. But this is a Tarte base tape hydrating primer, and this dry face likes the hydration, y'all. Even if I want a matte in certain areas, I'll deal with the different primer in a specific spot and powder in certain areas to reduce the oil shine in that location. But overall, I have dry skin. And let me pop it out of the box so you guys can see. But anyways, this is a 12 hydration coconut infused smooth appearance. It smooths appearance, extends the wear of your foundation. So you're to get 12 whole hours with this guy. And I nearly bought this during one of those random, you get an email from Tarte saying, hey, you can come and do a customized box, or like a half mystery, half customized box. And I nearly bought this about 4 months ago. I built the box and then never checked it. I get sleepy and stuff, and it's just a done deal. I wake up and the sale is over because I'm already on the last leg day. Look, I was just telling Mir, her channel is Mir of All Trades. Her name is Meredith. And I was just telling Meredith that I'm going into Sephora sometime this month to re-up on a foundation from Hourglass that I really, really liked. And I'm just ready to have that again in my life. It's just pricey. So it's really good to see. We got some Hourglass up in this mofo. And this is what I received. So this is the Amulet Diffuser Heat. I think there were 4 color choice options. And I received Lighting Blush. And so these, they make me think of the Laura Gellers. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to dip in and just see. I don't know what's going to translate to you guys. I won't know jack diddly until it's uploaded and then I'm watching it on my TV. Then I'll be like, wow, you were that close. That's what it looked like. So it'd be all new for me. But that's what it looks like using my finger and popping it on the back of my hand. I like the packaging. I love the rose gold look. It's just elegant. It's got class. It's like, let's go to Fifth Avenue. Let's have some lunch. Little cocktail. Little Manhattan. Yeah, that lady is getting hyped. I like this. This is making me feel happy. Now, I was watching Leah James' channel last night, and she was mentioning something about some Boxycharm controversy. Anybody know what she's talking about? I don't know. But I was like, what's going on with Boxycharm? Somebody do tell. Do tell. Next thing I have here is some Glow Recipe, and this is a Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist Hydrating Glowing Radiance Facial Spray. Oh, it's taped. Hold on, guys. Well, I got into my box like a 2-year-old because I didn't want to move stuff around to get over there to get some scissors. But here we go, y'all. For those who may have not seen it 100 times in the sneak peeks and in the Boxycharm group and Instagram, let's spray it and see how fine of a mist it is. All right, y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? It can't cause camera. It is it's just like, oh, it smells gorgeous, darlings. Gorgeous. Ooh, just for the smell alone. That, I must say, and this is coming from somebody that's got about 11 setting sprays back there. That is one of the finest mists I have come across. And the smell is, I just want to keep going, but I'm going to act like I got some self-control and some discipline around here. 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Firmly press the nozzle, mist 2 to 3 times across the face. Hold closer to the face to maximize that dewy effect. and you can use it, you know, throughout today for little touch-ups. And I'm seeing some really nice ingredients, some amino acids, some root extracts, some hyaluronic acids, and what have you. So it seems like it would be really good for the skin. But you do your own research, because I'm just kind of grabbing and going. 2 more things. It was something with this. I don't see a card. Here's a card. What is this card telling us, y'all? Jesus. Help me, help your girl. All right. This is called 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. I've never heard of this company. 50 grams. And this got a retail value of $100. Now, she loosely said, Leah James did in her video last night, something about the manufacturer's suggested price on this might be inflated or something. I'm not sure. I've never heard of the company before, and I can always go on Google and see if this is what it's running. But anyways, the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizing Cream helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. It is uniquely formulated to help the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. I'll have to read a little bit more, because the way that's worded, I mean, it's saying a small amount over face, neck, until fully absorbed. Okay, so this is for the face and the neck. Because I'm like, is this a body cream too? I guess not. But I popped them on my feet. And then the last thing I got is a whole hair tool. So this is what Boxycharm is. And now they got the pop-up store where you can get stuff on the low, like on a really decent, you know, warehouse type of priced sale. I just recently got some hair tools from Bombay and Cedar, and that thing is slick. It is nice, and it's dual voltage for domestic and international travels, y'all. But look at this. This is from Sultry. And then it's a booklet in the inside that talks about other products this company sells. And there's a 25% off code in case I do like it. This is looking like about a 1-inch plate. It's not digital, so you won't be able to like see the adjustments, but it looks like you just turn it on. Let me see if there's a dial. There is a dial. And then that's the type of plug you got. So you got a travel bag or storage dust cover bag. And like I said, it did come with a separate discount code and a pamphlet to let you know how to use it and other products within the line. So let's see, guys. The flat iron has a retail value of $79.99. It's delivering consistent heat. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist has a retail value of $28. I'm really digging that. And it's saying it has a juice blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh the skin and enhance makeup. The Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Let's see, here is a lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtaking modern hues. The results is seamless, soft focus, and multidimensional. And it has a retail value of $40 here. Hourglasses, it's consciously made. It's a good company, but it's up there. And in my case, I'm trying to go get 2 different foundations. I want to get the stick one that I've never had before, and then I want to repurchase the veil. So, cha-ching, cha-ching. And the Chorus Body Butter is $32, and the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer is $30. So I'm going to end this video here. I was going to try to do the guys together. No, we're not doing that. We're going to stay under 15 minutes. So that was my Boxycharm Premium for the month of February. Got a flat iron, got some body butter, got a moisturizer, got a primer, got a facial mist. and a blush. I'm satisfied. Be sure to like this video. Consider subscribing to your girl channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll know of future uploads, and have a blessed day, everybody.